point of this video is to test the Onyx Pro 410 Rigid, which is by Phrozen in collaboration with Loctite. Loctite makes all different super glues and adhesives, and we use Loctite 401 to make props all the time. And apparently this resin is strong enough to print a hammer and actually nail in actual nails into timber. So that's what we're going to test. So the build plate's lowering right now, and that'll start. Alright, let's see if the hammer actually worked. There she is. Here it is, guys. Pretty good print. So this is 3.5mm walls with 15% infill. You can see the support marks on there. Back in the frozen oven. It's really not looking good in there. Needs a huge clean. Anyway, we'll turn it on. Gonna do 30 minutes each side. A rusty brad nail. I'd say it's about 16 gauge. And a framing nail, also rusty. We've got our hammer cured. In terms of print quality, pretty happy. It's leaking a bit of resin still. So let's start with the rusty 16 gauge brad nail. See how we go. So I don't think it would have had any damage to this head if I hit the brad nail in the center of it every time. It's because I clipped right on the edge and it just chipped it a little bit, but the actual face of the hammerhead has minimal indentation, which is pretty impressive. This might be a different story, so we'll see how it goes against this one. That's the damage. That's really strong. And it's still got a little bit of flex in it too. There you go, guys. Guys, success. Yeah, it's way stronger than I thought it would be. And the details, it doesn't compromise on the detail as well. It's really good. Really, really good resin. So we'll be using this for hero props that are manhandled and engineering parts, museum replicas. That's what's going on.